I'm just going to play a couple of songs which I wrote a fair while ago, but they're still in my repertoire, so yeah. Well, congratulations, I guess I always knew. I was just a substitute. I know it was a long time, I know it was a long time ago, but we were just kids back then. I still thought you were mine, I still had you on my mind, but now it's got to end. You have found someone new, someone better than me. 'Cause you have found someone new, really makes your heart beat. I guess that kind of stuff don't happen to people like me. I heard it on the phone today, and frankly, well, I don't care if it's true, because it made me realize that it's just about time I got over you. To be singing you this song, you don't deserve it, you don't deserve it, and I guess I've known that all along. And so you found someone new, someone so much better than me. So you found someone who really makes your heart beat. I guess that kind of stuff don't happen to people like me. Well, you played it cool, you had your man full of me. I used to believe in someday, baby, someday ain't no guarantee. Well, I guess that kind of stuff don't happen. No, I guess that kind of stuff don't happen. I guess that kind of stuff don't happen to people like me.